What's up, everybody? In this video, what I have here is the wireless lavalier mic, and this works for, any type of Samsung or basically Android or iPhone, and it's great for live shows, for interviewing, or just doing reviews like I'm doing here, or vlogging. This is a 100% wireless mic. So let me show you. I had these out and I've already used them, but I'm going to show y'all exactly. I put it back in the box so I could unbox it and show y'all exactly what all comes with this thing. You can see right here, you're going to need this. This is a iPhone attachment, and inside this box, what this is just for charging, by the way. It is a USB-C to USB-C, it can dual charge, and to charge this, check that out. This is awesome. I absolutely love these things. They work extremely well. What you're going to have is this little system right here, which is the base, and it does not need to be charged. You're wondering, well, why did they add USB-C to it? Well, what that USB-C is for is so that way you could charge the phone while you're using it. So that's pretty cool that they actually thought of that. Both of these right here, I have fully charged these. These are the little units right here. Let me go ahead and peel that off. All right, I went ahead and peeled those off. And what that did, that just is like, so you can charge it inside this unit. So when it's set in here, here's how you would actually charge this thing. You would just lock both your, get rid of that stupid stuff, it's a piece of tape. You would put them both down in there like that, and then you would plug it in and it would charge both of them. Like I said, you don't need to charge that. But let me go ahead and set one of these up, and then I'll click over to the phone and show you how well this thing works. All right, I got the phone out here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, and it automatically comes with a USB-C, so you don't need this adapter if you're going to use it on like a Samsung or something like that. They did put a little lanyard thing on there, which I probably need to pick one of those up at one time. So you stick that on there like that, and then check this out. As soon as you stick it into the lightning port, you see the little light come on. That's letting it know that it's searching for one of the units. So what you want to do is hold down on that. It just let me know that it connected because it's not blinking anymore, and then it's got a connection there. And then if I need to, say I was doing like an interview or something, a connection there. So both of these are connected, but I don't need both of them. I'm going to turn that one off. So I've got that one connected. Switch over to the video of using the phone. So I'm turning the phone on right here. So let me go ahead and switch over to the iPhone now. So let's do that now. All right, everybody, so here it is. You're officially on the mic. You could see I'm on the lapel mic right here. Here's the lapel mic. I've got it on the lapel, and I'm just going to kind of go over some of the stuff. You get a little set of instructions. I went over them, so I know how to use it here. And here's the case that you get with it, and this is great for anyone that's wanting to use their iPhone, because you can see how well the iPhone records. I've recorded several of my, reviews with the iPhone, and it works just fine. And this is something I really wanted. See, I'm tapping on it now, and it seems to pick up very well. So you guys are hearing exactly what it will sound like when you're using this as a, and you could record like an interview or something like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Nora wireless lavalier microphone. But yeah, pick you guys up a set today because I think you'll be really happy with these. See you guys in the next video. Woo!